Ever wondered how travel agents afford their globetrotting? Have you ever found yourself pondering, amidst the throes of wanderlust, how those affable travel agents manage to finance their own globetrotting adventures? It's a question that has likely crossed the minds of many a curious traveler. After all, they seem to possess an uncanny knack for unearthing the most idyllic destinations and crafting bespoke itineraries that leave us yearning for far-flung shores. Well, fear not, intrepid explorers. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the intriguing world of travel agent compensation. So, buckle up, dear readers, as we embark on a whirlwind journey to uncover the secrets behind their seemingly charmed existence. Prepare to be amazed, enlightened, and perhaps even inspired to consider a career change, though I'd personally recommend sticking to armchair travel planning. Ready for takeoff? Let's dive in. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, or rather the burning question on everyone's minds: how do travel agents actually get paid? Contrary to popular belief, it's not all complimentary cocktails and first-class upgrades, though I'm sure those perks do pop up from time to time. In reality, travel agents generate income through a variety of avenues, each playing a crucial role in sustaining their businesses and enabling them to continue crafting those unforgettable travel experiences we've all come to cherish. Think of it like a well-orchestrated symphony, with each instrument contributing its unique melody to create a harmonious whole. Intrigued? Let's explore these revenue streams in greater detail, shall we? One of the primary ways travel agents get paid is through commissions. Imagine a delicious pie representing the total cost of your trip. When you book through a travel agent, they receive a small slice of that pie as a thank you from the travel providers they work with, such as airlines, hotels, and tour operators. These commissions vary depending on the provider and the type of travel product booked. For instance, an airline might offer a 5% commission on a flight, while a luxury resort might offer a 10% commission on a week-long stay. It's all about incentivizing travel agents to promote and sell their offerings. So the next time you book a trip through a travel agent, remember that they're not just providing you with expert advice and personalized service. They're also earning a small commission that helps keep their business afloat. Section 4. Beyond commissions, service fees, and beyond. Now let's not forget about the other ways travel agents bring in the dough. In addition to commissions, many agents also charge service fees. These fees are separate from the commissions and are paid directly by the client. Think of them as a way to compensate the agent for their time, expertise, and personalized attention to detail. These fees can be structured in various ways. Some agents charge a flat fee per booking, while others charge an hourly rate for their services. Some even offer tiered service packages, where clients can choose the level of service and support that best suits their needs and budget. It's all about transparency and providing value to the client. Section 5. Perks of the trade, bonuses and incentives. Now let's talk about the fun stuff, the perks. Like any good salesperson, travel agents are often eligible for bonuses and incentives from travel providers. These can range from free hotel stays and discounted flights to exclusive access to events and experiences. These perks not only serve as a nice bonus for agents, but also allow them to experience firsthand the products they're selling, making them even more knowledgeable and passionate about their recommendations. It's a win-win situation for both the agent and the client. Imagine a travel agent returning from a complimentary stay at a luxurious over-the-water bungalow in the Maldives. They're tanned, refreshed, and brimming with insider tips and recommendations to share with their clients. Who wouldn't want to book their next tropical getaway with someone who's lived and breathed the destination? Section 6, ready for takeoff? Plan your dream trip today. So there you have it, a behind-the-scenes peek into the world of travel agent compensation. As you can see, it's a multifaceted profession that involves a combination of commissions, service fees, and the occasional perk. But at its core, it's a career driven by a passion for travel and a desire to create unforgettable experiences for others. Now that you know the ins and outs of how travel agents get paid, why not start planning your next adventure? Whether you're dreaming of a relaxing beach vacation, an action-packed city break, or a once-in-a-lifetime safari, A knowledgeable travel agent can help turn your travel dreams into reality. So, what are you waiting for? Contact a travel agent today and let them handle the logistics while you sit back, relax, and anticipate the journey of a lifetime. Happy travels!